Welcome to this architectural masterpiece that has been crafted to perfection. This 37 squares luxury home includes all the needs of a growing family with high inclusions together with quality and affordability. From spectacular modern facade to multiple kitchens, beautiful balconies to multiple master bedrooms, this masterpiece offers a modern and expensive lifestyle. Other features include glowing bulkheads, ducted air conditioning and a beautiful alfresco kitchen, together with low-maintenance backyard, making it absolutely stunning. This beautiful urban oasis is built by FNF Homes in Marsden Park. Call us today to discuss your dream home.